Let's start the class, please. Already started. Kritika, ma'am, inform the students to join. Sharmila, good evening. Come, beta. Ashish, join. Huh? Jeevitan father, no. He came to meet and went. Oh, school. He didn't get down in bus means? Oh, Tarun, good evening. Ashwita, good evening. Ashish, good evening. Sarmila, Jotam, Kritika, everyone, good evening. Okay, Jasmita, good evening. Everyone, please kindly listen. We are heading towards, as promised. See, yesterday, Sunday, I didn't finish heredity and evolution. So now we will speed up. Yeah, no problem, Tarun. So today, rain prediction was there. So also many of the students, because Praveen and Maya is here, other students are here. So please kindly pay attention. Listen to me very carefully. Once you are joining the session, call out your name. Yes. So most important thing in circle, first we will understand the basic sections of circle. Okay. So now how circle is a very important chapter. Sarna, good evening. So now listen, we are going to understand some of the basic part of circle chapter. Let's start with the basic concept of circle chapter. So this is one very important theorem. Everyone, Satya, good evening. So everyone, please listen to me very carefully. So when you are talking about circle chapter, what and all things you have to keep in mind, and what and all questions are coming in board examination again and again, that we need to check out. Okay. So now first concept of circle, secant and tangent, first we are going to understand. See, some basic content is a circle when we are talking about. So first, today is the first class, so we will first understand the basics of circle. So whenever you are drawing a circle, the circle will have a center point. This is considered as what, beta? Center of the circle. Ovian, good evening. So Ovian is offline, online. That's very strange. Today Vishwa is offline. So now look here. Now listen everyone, please pay attention. A circle is having a center, and that center we will always be considering it as O. Now the locus of this point will be equidistant from the center. So circle locus will always be equidistant from the center. Good evening, Maha. So now please pay attention. What does this mean? Circle always center will be equidistant from the circle locus. Locus means what? See, any point in the circumference, when you will take any point in the circumference, when you will take, this point will rotate in the circumference in equal distance. This point will rotate in the circle in equal, yes, Porane. So that is exactly called as what, beta? That is called as locus. What it is called as? Locus of a point equidistant from the center. Locus of a point equidistant from the center. So that means what? This point will rotate equally in any direction. It will always be equidistant from the center. So this is exactly the concept of circle. And the distance will always remains the same. So that's why it is called as radius. Radius remains same. This is one concept. This is one concept we need to understand. Now here, next important point for circle. Everyone, those who have joined the session, please call out your name so that I'll be able to know who and all have are exactly present in the class. So now listen. So whenever we will talk about circle, the next important content about circle is it is made with points, specific point. Understood? So the circle will be made with specific point. Now you need to understand one thing. So if one point I will take and one line I will draw to touch that point only, it is called as tangent. What it is called as? Tangent. So tangent touches how many points of a circle? Only one point. So tangent, write down, tangent touches only one point of circle. Tangent touches only one point of circle. This is one of the most important thing. Tangent is touching how many points? Only one point. Ishrat, good evening, beta. Tangent is touching how many point, beta? Only one point. Understood? Now, a circle can have how many tangents? This is one question. Yes, absolutely correct. A circle is touching how many tangents, beta? The circle will have many tangents. How many points are there? That many tangents we can draw. How many points are there? That many tangents we can draw. That is the most important thing. How many points are there? That many tangents we can draw. Got it? So how many points? That many tangent we can draw. So here many points are there. So many tangents we can draw. Okay. So this is exactly the content related to circle. So content related to circle is like that. Hello? हाँ sir. हाँ. हाँ. Okay, okay, sir. I'll inform in the group, sir. Yes. Jivitan, good evening, beta. So one important call was there. So because of that, I got fine. I hope everybody is there. Vishwa, circle have infinite tangents. Beta, how many points will be there? That many tangents will be there. How many points will be there? Good evening, Kavya. How many points will be there? That many tangents will be there. So if it will have 1,000 points means how many tangents we can draw? 1,000 different tangents we will draw. 1,000 different tangents we will draw. Yes. Vardhan, Vedan, good evening, beta. Good evening, Vedan. So, how many points will be there? That many tangents. And tangent touches how many points? 2 points, correct? Only 1 point. The tangent is touching how many points? 1 point only. Now, we are going to talk about secant. So, beta,